Cats, they avoid the area. They want to walk around it. Look at that. Look at Cosmos. Okay. He's protesting. She's stuck now.